So this is the Android Nougat update for the Oneplus X. I've updated it by Cyanogen Mod 14 available on XDA. There are actually two ROMs available on XDA. One which has a SD card issue and another this one. This has no issues except that video recording feature doesn't work on over here. You can do video recording using footage camera app. I'll show it to you. The camera app is quite similar to the Oneplus X camera app. You see Oneplus camera app. It's really similar to that. And then a changes you will be quite familiar to the app as it looks quite similar to what you've been using. The camera quality or anything, nothing improves actually. This is no launcher that I'm using. Actually, the stock launcher, troubleshoot launcher that you get with CM14 is full of bugs. The app drawer isn't aligned properly. So the changes you'll see are the obvious set of changes. The settings that show you connected to some Wi-Fi will disabled. If you go to apps, how many apps are installed, battery percentage, then how much memory it's been using. This actually has some kind of bug. You see, it's showing 2.5 GB of memory isn't used. When you go to the day, it shows 2.2 GB free. Last 3 hours it shows 2.5 GB and there's only 317 MB free. That's why I'm actually going to remove this and go back to Oxygen OS 3.1.1 community build. That was much better. Here you go. It's Android 7.0. Other changes that I liked, other than what I didn't like, is the notification door. Obviously you know what it is if you've seen any of the Android Nougat updates or any of its previews. That's the only good thing about it. Even the gestures don't work, as you can see. Nothing. Double tap does work, but that nothing works actually. It's of no use right now. Also the camera, the lock screen is same as Marshmallow. You cannot pull it from left or right to open those. You have to pull from bottom to use those features. There's nothing new. Yes, there is recent. You can use multi-window. You click on this, put it on the upper pane, and you can other down. So that's the way you can do it. It's of no use actually. And then you can click on this, pull it down, full screen. So this was a quick preview or review, you can call it. Should you install it? No, not at all, until there's support for. Yes, another thing, settings the theme cannot be changed to dark or whatever. It doesn't support theme right now, so wait for a few weeks. I'd say even my network ain't working properly. It worked properly first, but now it just goes on and off. So after a week of its use, I would not recommend you to update right now. Wait for a week or so, at least 2 weeks or a month. Wait for a fully stable build which has everything working, as well as theme support for CM14. Okay,